On screen, title card. Narrator, in the next 60 seconds, I'll show you how to check how many Instagram accounts are linked to your email, step by step. On screen, phone illustration. Narrator, important, Instagram doesn't show a direct list of all accounts tied to one email. On screen text, but there's a workaround. Narrator, but you can use a simple workaround to check which accounts use your email. On screen, split view of Instagram app and email inbox. Narrator, we'll use the Instagram login screen plus your email inbox to verify each account. On screen text, you'll need then icons. Narrator, you'll need the Instagram app, access to your email inbox, and a few minutes. On screen text, let's start with arrow. Narrator, let's walk through it, step by step. On screen, phone showing Instagram login page. On screen text, step 1, open Instagram. Narrator, step 1, open the Instagram app and go to the login screen. Tap login or switch accounts if you're already signed in. On screen text highlight, use your email. Narrator, tap login and choose to log in with email. Enter the email address you want to check. On screen, forgot password, highlighted. Narrator, now tap forgot password. And then choose the option to send a login link to that email. On screen, email inbox with new Instagram messages. On screen text, check your inbox. Narrator, open your email inbox and look for new messages from Instagram with login links or security codes. On screen, one Instagram email expanded with username shown. Narrator, each email usually shows the Instagram username or account name. Write down or note every different username you see. On screen text, count them with tick marks. Narrator, count how many unique usernames appear, that's how many Instagram accounts are linked to that email. Repeat with other emails if needed.